So, where are you going? Adto ka sa? Pig? Mag-unsa man ka sa pig? Maghinlo ka? What else? What else? Mag-unsa pa ka sa pig? Ogo. Maghinlo-hinlo ka? Og magbahog pod? Magbahog? Ikaw ba magbahog? Mag-feed. Na I want to feed the pig. Cyan will feed the pig.
Pig.
Oh, unsay sound sa pig? Oink, oink. How about the chicken? How about the bird? Sweet. How about the goat? How about the dog? How about the cat? How about the duck? How about the bees? How about the lion? Roar. How about the cow? Mo. What else? How about the snake? Huh? There's the sound of a snake. What else? What about the tiger? Roar. What about the newt? Tuko. What else? How about the goat? How about the goat? How about Cyan? What is sound Cyan? Say sound ni Cyan. Sis ka, very good. Hala, ang pig. Ato na ika sa pig. Come on, let's go.
Hala, ang pig.
Hala, ang pig. Look at the piggy. Hello, piggy.
Hello, piggies.
Hello, piggies. So, piggies, di ay kadaghan man. Oh my God.
Hello, piggies.
Hello, piggies.
Hello, ba?
Oo, hala na ang piggies ni Cyan. Say hi to the piggies.